That's the first ever disposable double.
Disposable double. Oh, I don't know if I like the sound.
Hi friends, welcome to That High Couple, where we explore and discuss our passion for cannabis.
We are super excited to be on a dank double date here with Matthew Meredith from Cottonmouth Media and his girlfriend Leah. Hello.
Field testing these new disposable stizzy vape pens. You don't have to buy a complete kit, you just throw it away when you're done.
Mine's blueberry flavored.
Blueberries are dank. A dank double date is the perfect way to field test these bad boys. Let's go get some tacos. Some tacos.
Oh, smoking flowers, smelling flowers.
Vaping flowers, taking photos of flowers. Oh, that's a timer.
I love how discreet Stizzy is too. Is this vape juice or is this cannabis?
You'll never know unless you hit it.
Yeah, it's cannabis though.
I was just hitting an OG. Big fan of OGs because it's an indica and it gets you relaxed, chilling out, ready to eat tacos.
This is Blue Dream and it is blueberry flavored.
Blueberry muffin flavored.
Blueberry muffin flavored.
That's what I say.
It's
Yes.
honestly really fucking
It's really good.
It's delicious. I am a big fan of the blueberry.
Blueberry.
Little sunset in Hollywood, baby. Get that. Oh,
Going down. Going down. This adventure, what the?
welcome to the jungle. The little guy's ripped still. The little
Yeah,
guy's still ripped.
hardcore OG. Oh, look again. Getting the ladies. It's like sunset. Getting a little bit of that like sunset. Double. Wait. Who's down to do
There
double?
you go.
I call a double. Dun dun dun.
Can't compete with that.
That's the first ever disposable double.
Disposable double. Oh, I don't know if I like the sound. We might need to work on that.
Bye-bye.
Disposable double.
The DD, bro. I feel like I just ate some spicy salsa, you know what I'm saying?
Oh, double. Double fun.
Okay, she did.
Okay, she did.
She did.
Bye bye. Bye bye. Like you getting me, I'm getting you. You don't need a stabilizer when you got Matt. It's okay.
Yes.
Oh my god.
Sunset on Sunset Boulevard. Hey,
Here's a quick difference of the regular Stizzy
regular Stizzy.
and the I'm cheating a little. Amateur YouTuber here.
Look at the
This
size
is
difference.
the difference. Comment if you liked that.
Comment below. We are here at Tocaya. Grab some good Mexican food. I'm excited. Looks
Feeling
nice.
litty.
From our Stizzies.
From our
Ready to eat.
It's a date night. It's a date.
Crazy.
Double date.
Holy guacamole. Okay.
That's so cute. That was a fun ordering experience. Leia just went total wild card.
I went complete mystery. You can actually order mystery here. What if, crazy question, I did this, like the 2 tacos and the margarita, but then you just decide everything. And she looked very concerned.
She's like, could you give me some parameters?
Right. This was the whole point. I didn't want to decide. We don't know what I'm ordering.
It's gonna be a surprise. I'm
It's gonna be a
excited.
surprise.
I'm excited to see the surprise.
Send it back and be like, this is not what I was.
That'd be so mean.
Salsa and Stizzy.
We have a thing. We cheers.
Oh, that's cute. Oh my god, cute. Look at them being cute.
It's a double day, you guys.
Double
we
date.
do like each
Cute.
other.
Cute.
What is that one? What is this one?
This one is the
Mystery flavor.
He literally asked for a mystery flavor, so it's funny.
Cheers. Got some chicken. Yes. It's all good. I'll just pull it.
Interesting.
No, we got street corn.
Ooh, that looks yummy.
Oh, add some lime.
Did we ever figure out what your mystery taco was?
I don't think our waiter even knew.
Mystery was delicious.
Clark's like, leave while you can.
It's because of these. Because of this.
It's an easy train.
Choo-choo. With our power.
Leia, bring it in.
Fine.
Cheers.
Cheers. Ooh, that's a shot.
Yes.
We're going to our favorite bar in all of Los Angeles right now.
Yep.
I know exactly. It's
So
like
I downloaded it. I swear to God, I've read at least 300 articles. No, I did. No, it was. I remember.
Okay.
Follow us.
That's fine now, right, baby. Let's go.
For a Monday. A seat.
Yes, you don't need a seat. We're ready to go.
Good timing.
Been busy tonight?
Just now. Cheers.
Yeah,
Cheers. Cheers. Please. Cheers.
Hi.
That's so cute. So is this a half gram or a full gram?
Half gram in the disposable steezy cart.
Locked and loaded.
Ready to go. Do you say stizzy or do you say steezy? Although I don't know how you're gonna let us know.
The enunciation in parentheses.
Rhymes with
Easy.
easy.
Tried to take down a half gram or a full gram, but we attempted.
Have you looked into doing the fanny pack, dude?
Shirtless. I'm telling you, all day, every day.
Every music festival needs the Cottonmouth beer.
Coming soon.
ALLEGAR_. I am Allegar. Maybe something the world has never seen before.
Boom.
My name is Allegar. I repeat, Allegar.
That's why you live in Hollyweird.
_ATTL_. I'm like, wait, how do you say that? Yeah. I was like, it's called underscore? That's a word already.
Videos?
What's up?
Make YouTube videos?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Got Matt Scooter skills.
Like your
Dude, yeah.
Stopped on it today. Hey guys from Minnesota. Welcome
Yeah,
to LA.
dude.
Hey, we're going to Minnesota this summer. No, actually, we're straight up going.
Don't go anywhere south. Like I'm trying to stay out of the southern part.
What is literally?
It's weed.
I'm all good, man.
Well, California hospitality.
Thanks for the
All
offer.
good.
No worries, man.
I don't do
Well,
next.
It's weed. It's weed.
Amazing. Yes,
Just
dude, that's
inhale,
what I'm
no
talking
button or
about.
anything, yeah.
Subscribe to you on YouTube.
Yo, no, thank you. That high couple. Look us up. That high couple. That high couple.
Hey, you
That's
want to
us.
the vlog? Vlog, what is it doing?
Yeah! Please, get another. Get another.
Guys, have a great night.
Dude, yes. Take it easy. Yeah! That just happened.
We just made friends.
That was dope as fuck.
Thanks,
That
Stizzy.
was the dankest of double dates.
Dankest
Thank you
of double
so
dates.
much, Matt and Leah here. Check
Yeah.
out Cottonmouth Media. We got all those links in the description below.
If you want to see more, you can click this button in the corner to
Right over
subscribe.
there, bonus content from us. You can join our
Bonus.
Patreon club by clicking right over
Right in the
here.
middle, right in the middle. More videos off to the left.
Right over there.
Thank you so much for watching.
Bye.
Sending good vibes.